Hello and welcome to GEN 2060 Environmental Geology Resources. I'm the instructor for this term. I'm Joel Kuzmal, the Associate Professor and Chair of Civil Engineering at Merrimack College. In this course, you'll have a number of lectures in different modules, a couple of assignments, a couple of exams, and this is a positive experience that I hope that you enjoy, that you learn something, and it's important that you never get behind in this course and get started right away. And you can do that in the very first module that you can take on today.
Before we get started, I want you to stop and ask, is this class right for me? For a lot of students, this is a really good fit, but for others, for some really good students, it's just not a good fit. If you learn best with a person in front of you, helping you understand and take in content, this may not be a good course for you. But hopefully you'll get a chance in the first module or two to get a sense whether or not you are a good candidate. This class is best suited for students who are self-disciplined, capable of setting aside time for learning with limited guidance. I won't be able to give you reminders about any of the deadlines. The deadlines are all in the syllabus now, and you'll need to give yourself those reminders. You also need to have a reliable high-speed internet connection with a reliable computer, and you'll need a webcam and a sufficiently private space for the exams. ProctorU has specifications for what your hookup, your Wi-Fi connection needs to be, and what your room setting. You can't take the exam in a room where you have roommates around or in a library where other people are walking around. You're going to need to have all those things in place prior to the ProctorU exam 1 and exam 2 appointments. If you have a spotty internet connection, you're going to be really irritated if you've got deadlines coming up and you can't upload a document or you can't take a quiz because you keep losing your internet connection while taking the quiz. So if you're depending on borrowed internet connections that aren't always there for you, you might be frustrated by taking this course. Also, this course is best suited for students who are not procrastinators and who are effective communicators. There are 2 written assignments in the course, and for a lot of people those have been really helpful for taking them out of the B range into the A range. But if you're not good at writing papers or forgetful or procrastinator so that you find yourself trying to write something with 20 minutes before the deadline, this is not a good course for you. You'll regret it in the end. The course is right for an awful lot of people, but you need to make that decision on your own. Let's take a look at your Module 1 tasks. In each module, I'll have a list of tasks associated with them. And for Module 1, the tasks are to review the syllabus carefully. It's been posted for a few weeks, and now it's time to make sure you take it in. And then you can take the syllabus quiz. Now you can take the quiz with the syllabus in front of you, so it's not like it's going to be that tricky, but it's a good way to review the various components of the course. The third thing is to check that your connection, equipment, and attended exam room all meet the requirements of ProctorU. So you're going to need to sign up for a ProctorU account. And then item 4 is to book your day and time for exams 1 and 2 in ProctorU. If you do that now, you won't have any direct costs. If you decide to change your appointments just before the exams are supposed to occur, ProctorU is going to charge you for that. But this is the time to set up your appointments now and set them up at a time that you know is going to work, that you won't need to change, so that you can avoid those change fees. I can't help you. Merrimack College can't help you with change fees. I will point out that if you find that you need to make a change, I'm not going to give you any penalty for changing your appointment, but ProctorU will charge you. Fifth thing to do is to purchase your textbook. You will need the textbook starting with Module 2, so if you're going to rent it and use it online, that's fine. However you get access to the textbook, go ahead and get that started now. I'm not using the latest edition of the textbook necessarily, so be sure to check out the syllabus and get the right edition of the textbook.
I want to encourage you again to get started now. This is an opportunity for you to get ahead. During Module 1, what you need to do is complete all the tasks that I've identified for you. Begin by scheduling your exams with ProctorU. Put all your deadlines, you'll find them in the syllabus, on your calendar, and don't miss them. There's going to be a very fast pace to the course during the term, and you need to keep up. If you were planning to let yourself get behind and get caught up at the end, that's not going to work in this course. You'll need to get ahead. If you can't do things exactly on schedule with the deadlines, get ahead and get things done so that you don't have to, so you can't miss deadlines. Once you miss a deadline, it's over. That's history, and you'll need to worry about the next one. So get ahead. That's the way to succeed in this course. If you have any questions for me, don't hesitate to contact me by email. Good luck. Hope you enjoy the experience.